Hello, good to see you all again. On the 100 subscriber special, we have finally hit 100 subscribers and I'm so happy to finally be at that milestone. That's an incredible milestone for me. It might not seem very big to you, but for me that is an absolutely massive achievement for the channel. So obviously this is going to result in me doing a 100 subscriber giveaway. So we're going to go over the details of that 100 subscriber giveaway now and explain what you need to do if you would like to enter. Okay, so the first thing that will be given away is one of these custom designer make light bulb keyrings, which have been laser engraved and finished with Danish oil. If you would like to win one of those, all you need to do is simply comment keyring in this video in the comment section. That's all, just comment keyring and that will allow you to be entered. So if you'd like to enter for that, all you need to do is comment keyring. Okay, and apart from that, I will also be doing it's not a giveaway as such, but it's a project thing. So essentially what you need to do to enter this part of the giveaway is if you would like to see your project being made on Designer Make, all you need to do is comment down below what project you want to see me make. So I'll give you a really simple example. Say you really want to see me make a pallet wood bowl using reclaimed pallet wood, because that's what pallet wood is. So you might comment, I would like to see a pallet wood bowl made from pallet wood. So that would be you entered, and what I will do with that is I will choose my favourite project suggestion out of all of those, and you'll see that made with the wood, the materials that you asked to see it with. You can enter for both the keyring giveaway and also enter for the project suggestion, so please enter for both of those, and I can't wait to see all your project suggestions. Just a last quick thing, there may be a bonus thing with the keyring giveaway as well, if I can get it ready in time. I'm hoping it will be hopefully ready, but we'll see. But apart from that, there's the keyring giveaway and there's also the project suggestion. So I hope you guys look forward to entering. Thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It has been an absolutely fantastic journey. Now obviously you'll need to know when the giveaway will end. It will end on July the 3rd, which will be the Friday at 12 PM at night. So I will not count any more entries after 12 PM on July the 3rd of 2020. The giveaway details for the winner will be announced on July the 4th, which is the Saturday, at probably something like 9 AM, but I'll work that out nearer the time. Thank you for entering in advance, and I hope you enjoy this. Thanks.